Okay, we're gonna go to System Setup, function number 12. And function number 12 is your manual or auto changeover. And I wanna put mine on function. I'm gonna go to function 12, I'm gonna go to option 1, because I want it to automatically change over from heat and cool depending on the temperature inside the house, so that I won't have to keep adjusting from heat to cool. I'm gonna put it on automatic. So what you wanna do, you hit the fan and up for about 3 to 5 seconds. And you go right here next, you see the different functions, and we're gonna go to 12. And mine's on 0. You remember I said I wanna set it to 1. So what I wanna do is just go up and I hit done. And that's it. And you're gonna notice that the functions right here, whenever I click, you got auto now, off and cool. So you got heat, auto, off, and cool. So I'm gonna put it on heat for right now, but it will, that's how you set it to automatic. Okay, that's it.